Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello, coffee lovers. In this video, I will explain how to use the Zus Coffee app, starting with its core purpose. This fantastic mobile application makes ordering your favorite handcrafted beverages incredibly simple. You can easily access exclusive rewards, exciting promotions, and valuable membership perks. Whether you prefer convenient delivery right to your doorstep or quick pickup at a nearby outlet, the Zus app ensures a smooth and delightful experience every time you crave a quality cup of coffee. Getting started with the Zus Coffee app is straightforward. First, register your account using your phone number and a valid email. Once logged in, take your time to explore the diverse menu and customize your perfect coffee or beverage. When you are ready, place your first order for convenient delivery or quick self-pickup. For even smoother transactions, activate your Zus balance with a minimum top-up of 10 Malaysian ringgit, making future payments faster and easier. The Zus Coffee app truly keeps on giving. With every purchase you make through the application, you will automatically collect valuable Zus points. These points can then be redeemed for exciting rewards, including complimentary drinks and special limited-time vouchers. For those who enjoy Zus Coffee frequently, you can achieve Zus Elite status, unlocking VIP benefits and exclusive invitations. Don't forget to participate in Zus missions within the app to earn even more delightful rewards. To maximize your Zus Coffee app experience, manage your Zus balance for smoother and faster payments. Should you ever need assistance, prompt customer support is available via the in-app live chat or WhatsApp. The app is regularly updated with new features and promotions, ensuring an enhanced and delightful experience. Its intuitive user interface is designed for quick training, allowing teams to feel confident leveraging its features in less than 1 hour, making your coffee journey effortless.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.